Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to English with SMG.
Here, we help you speak English easily and with confidence. Today's lesson is for people who feel nervous at the airport.
Have you ever stood at the counter and didn't know what to say? Or you didn't understand the airport announcement?
Don't worry, we're here to help you. In this video, you will learn easy English words and lines to use at the airport, from check-in to boarding.
Hi, I want to check in for my flight to London.
Sure. Can I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put it on the stale.
Okay?
Great. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is A17. Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Thank you very much.
Now let's practice some important airport lines. I want to check in for my flight.
May I see your passport and ticket?
Here is your boarding pass.
Your gate is A17.
Please put your bag on the belt and take out your laptop.
At the gate, conversation.
Excuse me, is this the gate for Flight 238?
Yes, boarding will start in 10 minutes.
Can I board early? I have a window seat.
We will call window seats after priority boarding.
Thank you.
Let's review the most useful lines.
I want to check in for my flight. Here is my passport and ticket. Do I need to check my bag?
Do I need to remove my shoes? Any liquids in your bag? Please step through the scanner.
Is this the gate for my flight? When does boarding start? Can you help me find my seat?
Practice these lines every day. If you miss an announcement,
What if I miss an announcement?
Always check the screen and ask airport staff. You can say, "Excuse me, has boarding started? Where is the gate for my flight?"
So, these are the most important English phrases for the airport. Practice them and use them when you travel. Travel with confidence and speak English without fear.
please subscribe to English with SMG. Like this video and share it with your friends. Comment below, where are you flying next? Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson on English with SMG.